Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to make transparent layer. So as default Ibis set into the white backgrounds, and if you want to change into the transparent, you can go to the layer settings. After it, you can click at these icons to change the transparency. Now if you want to save into transparency, you can click at these icons, three dots, and then you can save layer as transparent PNG. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis X tutorial, how to make background transparent in layer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.